Hi, welcome to the Hennasooq channel. My name is Khadija and I am leading expert in henna hair color and Ayurvedic hair care, and I do such gorgeous, amazing, dope henna body art as well. Today I'm talking to you about the other side of Ayurvedic hair care, the lifestyle of living your life according to Ayurveda. So what even is Ayurveda? What is it? Ayurveda is the oldest holistic healing system developed in India over 3,000 years ago. It is based on the belief that health and wellness is determined by balance between mind, body, and spirit. These combined in the body create the three energies called doshas. In the Ayurvedic practice, in their life, people will live according to their most dominant dosha. What are the three doshas? Vata, Pitta, and Kapha. If you want to learn more about Ayurveda, lifestyle, and doshas, I'll provide a link in the description box below for you to check out. You can learn how to balance your life with your dosha and live an Ayurvedic lifestyle through all the information there. Or you can live in the spirit of Ayurveda like I do, taking little bits from everything that I see, that I love, that draws me in, kind of like how when I pick different crystals, I kind of just see what resonates with me. I let that lead and guide me, and usually I feel like my intuition just taps into that. So that's how I look at Ayurveda. In hair care and recipes, I go in with knowledge of the different herbs as a foundation, but just choosing and letting that guide me in my life and my choices and wash day, and listening to your body and your mind as a whole and spirit. Keep those connected to get a better understanding of who you are, where you're going, and what's going to work best for you. Primarily, I would say that Ayurveda for my life definitely means that herbal lifestyle. Choosing herbs, in your life that you're using for your hair, for your focus and your growth. And all of this affects not only just the outside, that just taps into your heart, and your spirit and your mind, your soul. It just goes deeper than that. You just have to be present. You need to recognize that and see that. I know that when you see me infusing different Ayurvedic herbs, that you can feel that energy. That energy just projects so strongly. What I'm doing, mixing, and just every herb that I get to experience with and then infusing together, smelling, just really connecting with and reaching the goals that I want to achieve. Just that whole process and the simple things of doing that a little bit every day, it just really is so grounding for me. It's really keeps me focused and moving and happy. So here are three things that I personally do to incorporate Ayurveda in my life that affects my mind, body, and soul that I want to share with you guys. So the first thing that I do is I start my day off with a walk, and it just clears my mind. I take out my girl Rain, who is my cute little dog. She's a German Shepherd, and she's about to be 1 year old. And the thing is with her, because she's so reactive to everything that's going around her, and I used to think it was just the excitement of everything. You're excited, I want to see things, and I'm always on the go. If you've ever met me, it's I'm always what's next? What's next? What am I doing? What am I doing? I'm always on the go. With her, she keeps me grounded. She keeps me focused. As soon as I walk out of the car, with her, I just take a moment. I just sit there and I kind of breathe. And it's crazy how your energy projects into your surroundings. She feels that. She sits down and looks at me. This dog months ago would not do that. She was bugging, loud hair strands, which will, oh my God, Rain! Which we could definitely have a conversation about. If you have questions about reactive dogs, we can have a whole conversation. But she just taught me how to be grounded. We go on walks. She's just busy sniffing and finding out what's going on, what's around us, and looking at plants and life around me. And it gives me also a moment to get ready for my day. I'm thinking, what am I going to be doing with Hennasooq? What am I going to do at work? What can I bring different to the audience? I really love starting my day that way. Once I've done my walk, I come home, I light candles. I want to feel relaxed. I want to feel at ease because I really discovered recently how much the space that I am makes a difference for me. It just really impacts like what I'm doing and what I'm about. As you can see, like I love everything to be a certain way, and it makes me feel so calm and focused on the project of the day, you know, what I'm gonna do for the next week, you know. That is so important. And I'm always surrounded by the Ayurvedic herbs, like literally, like they're all around me. They're all over this room. I know they're off screen right now, but boy, man, I got beautiful African violets, plants, flowers, just so much going on here that just taps into that Ayurvedic lifestyle for me. And thirdly, oh, cooking. Listen, if you didn't already see that I love to mix things up, you should see me in the kitchen. I love to cook, and I love using just raw natural ingredients, you know, cilantro, garlic, ginger. I make acai bowls. Oh, they're so good. And I just, you know, love the whole process of creation, sitting down, being like, oh yeah, you know, I made this and I'm gonna eat. And I also gotta cook for all these 6 kids that I got, and they do not let any food last in this house, that's for sure. They be eating everything up. Even from the simple things of like cooking rice, like just smelling it, and you know, rice just scents up the whole room. It smells so delicious. So cooking is definitely something that I really love, and I highly recommend, if you want to connect more with Ayurveda in your life, look into the different foods you can eat. That's definitely really deep. You can go far and deep with eating seasonally, eating according to what your body needs during that time of year. It goes really, 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 really deep. So you can learn so much. One thing that I can say that I believe in for absolutely sure is eating according to your blood type. So tap into that, look more of that up. It's also really important to eat foods that make me feel energetic and just really give me a natural like pep to my day, because oftentimes, I don't know if it's an age thing, once you hit a certain age, you know, you can't be eating food that make you tired and feel sluggish. You know, you definitely need good, wholesome foods that make you feel really energetic. So even though I don't necessarily follow what I would feel is like the traditional way of an Ayurvedic lifestyle as a whole, I definitely, you know, do appreciate all these Ayurvedic herbs, and it just gives me so much in my life. It just really, really does. And then all of these practices definitely help you keep balance, which I find is so important. Anything going on in our life right now, you definitely got to maintain balance. Balance, balance, balance. It's one of my favorite words, even when it comes to hair care. You can't go all the way left and you can't go all the way right. There's a path, and sometimes it's bumpy, and you're learning, and you have, you know, lessons to learn and things going on, but that's just the way that it is. And just keep focused on that and do whatever feels right for you. Just listen to yourself, you know, listen to you. What are some ways that you yourself tap into keeping that balance in your mind, body, and soul? You know, like how do you keep balance? What are some key things that you can share with us? Please put it in the comments below. I would really love to know what you do to keep you really well balanced. So my loves, make sure that you subscribe to the Hennasooq channel. Hit the bell so you get notified and don't miss any of my amazing henna hair color and Ayurvedic healthy hair care recipes and hair challenges and regimens and wash days. So I can't wait to catch up with you next time. So I will see you then. Until then, sending you all my love. Bye.